The 4x4 Pergola Kit features robust construction with high-quality galvanized carbon steel that provides excellent resistance to corrosion and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability. Designed with a unique slanted roof, it effectively manages rainwater drainage, reducing the risk of leaks and maintaining the integrity of the roof structure. This versatile pergola kit is suitable for a wide range of applications, from building pergolas to creating carports or outdoor kitchens, making it a popular choice for homeowners and contractors alike. Installation is made easy with pre-drilled components and all necessary hardware included, allowing both DIY enthusiasts and professionals to set it up with minimal hassle. The Pergola Kit incorporates user-friendly features such as built-in hooks for additional decor or lighting, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your outdoor space. With its sturdy design and reliable customer support, the 4x4 Pergola Kit offers a safe and stable solution for creating beautiful outdoor structures.